This is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Chase. They are offering a new teen checking bonus. It is for $100. This is a nationwide offer with no direct deposit required. So super excited to share this. I've gotten some questions about, hey, what about kids? Can they take advantage in the bank account bonus checking offers? Yes, they can, and this is the video all about that. So before I jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am a customer of Chase. I am not affiliated with them. I am not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. The information in this video is current as of time of recording. These videos are not short, but they are very profitable. Use this information at your own risk. Does not mean that you're going to get approved. This is called fishing and not catching, and as is everything in life, your mileage may vary. All right, so how profitable are these videos? Well, I do have a $4 million goal for the year 2024. I want to see at least 1,000 people make at least $4,000 from these videos. If you can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Appreciate that. All right, Groundfloor. You can see I'm repping the Groundfloor shirt. I just recently got this email from them. John, congratulations. You've successfully invested in a loan for 2111 Northwest 76th Avenue. I put in $210 in there. Interest rate, 12.5%. Does your bank offer you 12.5%? Backed by real estate? No. So take advantage of this. Groundfloor, they gave me a custom link. app.groundfloor.us/R for referral, BABC, bank account bonus central to year 2024. So if you put in $100, within 30 days, you will get $50. So you get a 50% guaranteed return on your investment. So QR code here, link in the description box down below, or you could always email me churningadventures@gmail.com for a link. And you can see Brian here. He is the CEO of Groundfloor. Recently made it's an hour-long video, but we're talking about life and what he's learned going from place to place to place. And there's a really deep video with a lot of life lessons I like to share with people. So link to that video is up here. Langley, FCU, they have get paid to spend. Everybody loves spending money. Why not get paid to spend? So $50 for doing 10 debit card transactions, plus you can fund $1,000 with your credit card to get additional cash back. So link to that video is up here if you're interested in that. Easy money. And then Moo at the end of July 31, they will end their $405 investment account bonus where they actually pay you not to invest. So really neat bonus. Link to that video is there. All right. So no more plugs. All right. So shout out to friend of the channel, Drew, buddy of mine. He texted me, hey, John, what bank do you recommend for kids? I love SoFi, but they don't have youth accounts. Correct. SoFi does not have youth accounts, and they don't have business accounts. So what do I recommend? Well, that's why this video is here. So I am a high school math teacher, and I can attest that this generation is woefully lacking in the knowledge of the following. They don't know that banks pay people to open up new accounts over and over and over again. Banks don't value loyal customers. They really don't. And they pay people to become new customers over and over and over again. That's why this channel is here. And these opportunities are now available not just to adults, but to teenagers nationwide. So it's a really cool offering. So here's what it looks like. Enjoy a $100 bonus for your teen when you open up a Chase high school checking account together with qualifying activities. So this offer is, as I mentioned, available nationwide. Expires 10/26/2024. So have about 3 months to take advantage of this offering. Churnability. It's just like the adult total checking bonus where you could churn it every 2 years, which is phenomenal. So here is the link to this offer, which I don't think anybody wants to type all that into a new tab. Here's a QR code, link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So here's what it looks like here. This is actually off their homepage. Your team gets $100 when you open up a Chase High School checking account together with qualifying activities. The only annoying part about this is you got to go in person to take advantage of it. So you get to learn and learn about and meet your friendly local Chase banker. So enter your email address, email your coupon, bam. You bring that into the branch and you will open up your account. Get the $100 bonus in 3 easy steps. Open an account in branch with your 13 to 17-year-old. There's additional options for those above 17 by 10/16/2024. To open the account, your teen will need to bring 2 acceptable forms of ID. I'll go over what those are in a minute. You must be present at the account opening, so you can't just drop off your teenager at the front door of Chase. But, you know, the adult does have to be present there. Account is subject to approval. The teen needs to complete 5 qualifying transactions within 60 days, and 3 of them are rather easy. Debit card purchases. Kids buy stuff, do it 5 times, snag $100. Zelle, you send money back and forth. That's rather easy. ACH credits. So basically, if you do $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 ACH into the account, that's worth $100. So check your teen's account for the $100 bonus. The bonus will appear in your teen's account within 15 days of completing the qualifying transaction. So that is rather easy. Here is, if you want to pause this, here's the acceptable forms of identification. I am not about to read all of that, but feel free to pause the video and take advantage of that. So independents that fits their pocket with their own debit card, money in moments with Zelle, account alerts for the win, their money when they need it, Chase mobile app, so all sorts of fun stuff. Here's the gist of the fine print, which I love reading. No monthly service fee on Chase High School checking for students 13 to 17 years old. Funny story about that. My son, he is 12 years old. He's about to turn 13 in a couple months. And I was like, hey, Johnny, you want to take advantage of this? He's like, yeah. So it's going to be available when he turns 13. So he's super excited about that. So the parent guardian is the co-owner of the account. And it's got to be linked to the parent guardian's personal checking account. So I'll talk about that in a minute. It's got to be a total checking account or more, because they have a whole bunch of different accounts. You can't have the parent have the high school account or college account or secure checking or first checking. When the student turns 19, so when your teenager turns 19, the high school checking it'll graduate into a Chase total checking, which I kind of don't agree with, because the total checking account gives you a $300 bonus, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So here's some of my favorite terms and conditions here. Your child can receive only 1 new checking account bonus every 2 years from last coupon enrollment, and only 1 bonus per account. So if your kiddo is 13 years old, then they can snag a $100 bonus now. They can snag a $100 bonus at 15. They can do it again at 17. And then when they turn 19, they can go up to the adult version, or if when you're 18, you can go up to the adult version and snag the $300 bonus. So Chase is teaching people rather early that it pays to be a new customer over and over. All right, so there are 2 different types of kiddo banking. My kids actually do have the Chase First Banking because they got their first bonus, which was like a $25 bonus. So this is for kids 6 to 12. And then it's actually, this one's available for 6 to 17, but the Chase High School one, it's got the $100 bonus for kids 13 to 17. Must open in branch, so you can schedule a meeting. And then it talks about the difference between the 2 kiddo accounts. The first one, I would say not so much, because there's no sign-up bonus. The 13-year-old one, yeah, it's got the $100 bonus, so I definitely recommend that one. So the 0 monthly fee, basically, it's got to be connected to the parent guardian as co-owner. It must be linked to the parent guardian's personal Chase checking account, which is right here. Here is a referral link to the adult account, so accounts.chase, RAF. So refer a friend, share. There's my number. So here's a QR code. I'll have a link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So here is the video I made for the adult total checking, $300 checking account bonus. So you got to do 1 direct deposit, $500 or more, you'll get $300. So that's a really cool 60% return on your $500 direct deposit. So link to that video is up here. All right, so there's actually, I briefly talked about the first 2, but there's actually a third one, which is Chase College checking. Excuse me. So this one is for students 17 to 24-year-old. I mean, personally, if you're over 18, go for the $300 one. But if you're a college student, you can snag a college checking and get a $100 bonus with qualifying activities. So additional information on there now. So bank account bonus central verdict, teaching our future generations how banks pay people, including teenagers, how to be a new customer over and over and over and over again. Give them that first taste of, hey, this is what a $100 bonus looks like. And that's, that's really cool. So take advantage of, it's a vital lesson to teach. Kids don't know about financial literacy and they don't understand grit. So take advantage of this limited time offer. I still have comments off for these videos. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com and I will get back to you rather quickly. So today's question, what does it look like to be blessed by God? People talk about God bless you and God bless America, and what does it actually look like? What is the biggest blessing we can get from God? It's the joy of forgiveness. Psalms 32. Blessed is he whose sins are forgiven. We unfortunately sin every day, and you collect guilt and shame, and that stuff is really not cool. But blessed is he whose sins are forgiven, whose sin is covered. Blessed is the man to whom the Lord does not impute iniquity, and whose spirit there is no deceit. When I kept silent, when I didn't confess my sins, my bones grew old, though through my groaning all the day long. For day and night your hand was heavy upon me. My vitality was turned to the drought of summer. But further on in Psalms 32, it talks about the joy, of having your sins forgiven. So, how to follow Jesus, additional information about this, getting right with God, link in the description box down below if you're interested. If you're still here with me, definitely appreciate it. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it. You got friends who got teenagers, share this video with them. Teach your kids and their kids about collecting $100 from Chase rather easily. 5 debit card transactions, get your kid $100 and teach them how the game works. So subscribe with bell notifications so you can learn about these profitable content on a consistent basis. With that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.